Welcome back at another episode of Dutch Data Science Week Real Time, the talk show where we interview guests, presenters and trainings of sessions during Dutch Data Science Week. And now I'm joined by two of the trainers of today's Deep Learning Training Special, Marcel Raas and Vincent Warmerdam. Marcel, Vincent, welcome here on the show.
Thank you.
So you just finished a training for quite a large group of attendees. How many people were in the room?
I think around 40.
40 people.
41.
41 people in a room. That's quite a lot of interest in deep learning. Is it such a hot topic?
It's definitely the tool for image classification, for NLP tasks such as translation, stuff like that. So it's of course it's very interesting to get to know what's behind all this.
Yeah. And how would you classify this training? Is it introduction or did it go really deep into detail?
So we did actually two things. So Vincent started with a nice introduction for the basic, the concepts, and well, in the afternoon we spent time on one of the more advanced algorithms like the LSTM, and that was so we got a broad spectrum from all the way from concepts to quite advanced.
Yeah, and Vincent, in the morning you started with an introduction then to deep learning. In short, how would you introduce deep learning for this audience?
Also, it's kind of funny you say that, because the main thing I tried to explain is that deep learning is actually kind of a bad name for the thing. But
why is that?
Also, it's just a differentiable system. And the thing is, if you call it something else like a neural network, people start to say, oh, it's really how the mind works.
Yeah.
And, that's not how it works at all.
Yeah.
So if you just consider it, that deep learning is just, you can kind of look at it as a box of Legos. You can just click some parts that work well together, and you can use that to maybe build a car. Like that sort of feeling, you can do that with Keras, and that's what I try to teach.
Yeah.
Also because it's less scary that way, but mainly because it feels less hypey that way.
Yeah, and
that is an issue, I think.
Hype demystified here.
Like nukes from orbit, that's how I would like to call it.
Yeah. Cool. And then in the afternoon, you went a bit more in depth.
So the thing for like when you teach a group like this, like the group's going to be all sorts of people, different things. So we just went up to the group and said, "Hey, what would you like us to talk about now? We could talk about a whole bunch of stuff." And it doesn't happen often that a room full of people goes, "Recurrent neural networks, please." But that's what happened, and so we did that. Yep.
Cool. And Marcel, how did that go?
It was tough. It was, of course, an advanced topic. So we made a big leap, and but we should not be too careful in going too deep too soon. It's called deep learning for a reason, right?
Yeah, very good. But you managed to do that, and people didn't seem to get enough of it because it took quite a while, even after the training, people approaching you with questions.
Yeah, so there was quite an advanced case actually. Yeah. So of course we weren't able to go into the full detail of everything. So there was a very complicated case, and I managed to. We actually found a way to solve her problem there. Yeah.
Oh, that's great. They must have left the training day happy.
I hope so. Yes.
And Vince, there was also not only people from the Netherlands, but also from other countries.
So I think there was like 3 guys from Portugal, one guy from Belgium. There's rumors of someone from Switzerland.
I can't answer either positive or negative on that.
No, I can only make jokes about it. But so like that was kind of weird. So it's called the Dutch Data Science Week. So you kind of imagine, a bunch of Dutch people, but somehow apparently there were some people from Portugal whose boss said go there. So that was fun.
Very neat. So perhaps next year we should change the name.
Well, or we just, if we know that Portuguese people are coming here anyway, we should just ask them politely to bring some pastels and stuff. Like that's an amazing candy they have. It's the best.
That's always a good idea.
Yeah. Like a Belgian guy could bring beer.
Sounds like a party to me.
It's an idea.
Hey guys, I think you worked hard today and keeping everyone in line during the training and even going in depth with the more advanced topics. So well done, and relax for a bit this evening. Thanks very much. And everyone watching this episode, thanks for watching again, and see you next time on Dutch Data Science Week Real Time. Thank you.